Hello students, standard 8. We are nearly at the end of the chapter number 11, mensuration. Exercise 11.4, we have completed question 1 to 4. So let's do question number 5. What is given here? Find the height of the cylinder. Find height of the cylinder. Whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of base is 140 centimeter. Here, a most important thing to be observed. I hope you notice it. Because generally sometimes students don't notice that minor changes. Look here, the volume is given in the unit meters cube, but the diameter is in centimeter. Here if you don't change the units, your answers will be wrong. So, here it is very important that is in centimeter, that is in meter. So centimeter can be converted into meter. So what is given here? Diameter of base is 140 centimeter. So radius R is equal to D upon 2 is equal to 70 centimeter. Is equal to 70 upon 100, that is 7 upon 10 meters. Because the volume is given in meter cube, so the radius also should be in the meter. So now volume of cylinder is given as 1.54 meter cube. So pi r square h, we have to find the height. Pi r square h is 1.54. Value of pi not mentioned, so we will take 22 by 7 into radius 2 times 7 upon 10 into 7 upon 10 is equal to, here 1.54 we can write down as 154 upon 100. 7 cancel, leave the 10 here. So h is equal to 154 upon 100. What is in denominator goes to the numerator, means 10 multiplied by 10 upon 22 into 7. Zeros are cancelled. Twenty-two sevens and 7 cancel. So everything cancels, so 1. So height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Height of the cylinder is 1 meter. So here the most important thing, as I told you, is to the conversion of centimeter to meter. Because the volume is given in meter cube, but the radius or the diameter is given in centimeter. But when we do any type of sums in areas or volumes, the units should be same. So if you don't convert this centimeter into meter, or you can do meter into centimeter also. Question 6. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter. And length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. So here we have to find the capacity of the milk tank. We know that capacity and the volume is the same thing nearly. So here first of all we have to find the volume of that cylindrical tank, and then meter cube or centimeter cube should be converted into the liters. Here both of them are given in meter, not a centimeter. So we don't have to worry like that. Here one was meter cube, other was centimeter, here both are in meter. So whenever you start examples like that, first check the units. So now for cylindrical tank, milk tank, radius is 1.5 meter and height is in the form of length given. We will take it as height is 7 meter. So first we will find volume. Volume of tank is pi r square h. Value of pi we will take as 22/7. Radius is 1.5, so 15 upon 10. 15 upon 10. So it is easier. Multiply by height, h is 7. 7 cancel. Now we can do one cancellation. 3 5s are 2 5s and 11 2s are. So now 15 3s are 45 multiplied by 11. 495 upon 10 meter cube. Now 1000 meter cube. We have the conversion we wrote down that 1000 meter cube is 1 liter. So here we have to convert it into liter. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So 495 upon 10 meter cube is equal to 495 upon 10 multiplied by 1000. That at 49,500 liters. So the container, milk tank, can contain 49,500 liter milk. So we have to remember the conversion. 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. And thus we can find the volume, and after volume we can convert it into the liters. Now the question number 7. If each edge of a cube is doubled, first, how many times will its surface area increase? There are two questions. First, we will answer the first question. Let us understand the question first. They said that if each edge of a cube is doubled, means if the length of the edge is 2 centimeter, you have to make it double 4 centimeter. If it is 6 centimeter, you have to make the double, means 12 centimeter. Then how many times the new surface area will be than the original surface area? So here let we understand like that. Let the length of edge of cube is equal to L. Therefore the surface area of cube will be 6L square. Now each edge of cube is doubled. So each edge is equal to 2L units. Therefore, new surface area is equal to 6 times edge, but the new edge is 2L edge square, but the new edge is 2L, so 2L whole square. 2 square is 4, so 4L square. So 6 4s are 24L square. But the original was how much? 6L square. So 6L square multiplied by how much is 24? 4. It means that it is how many times increasing? 4 times. Therefore, the surface area increases how many times? 4 times. Now second thing we have to find is that how many times will its volume increase? How many times will its volume increase. So now the volume of cube with edge L will be 6, L into L means L cube. And the new volume with double H will be twice L whole cube. That is 2 to the 4 to the 8 L cube. So the volume will increase how many times? It was L cube and here is 8 L cube. So increase 8 times. So the surface area increases 4 times and the volume increases 8 times when each edge of the cube is doubled. So that is the thing we have to do. Now the last question. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. Now volume of the reservoir is given. Volume of reservoir is given as 108 meter cube. And the water is pouring in it at the rate of 60 liters per minute. Means in 1 minute 60 liters water is pouring inside the reservoir. We have to find the time. Means how many hours it will take to fill the whole reservoir. It means that first we have to find the capacity. Means how many liters total water can it contain. And then from the rate we will find out the time to fill the whole reservoir. Here the volume is given. So volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube. Therefore it can contain 108 multiplied by 1000 liters. Because we know that 1 meter cube is 1000 liter. So now that is equal to 108,000 liters. So now in 1 minute (60 liters) water is poured. Therefore, time taken to fill the reservoir is equal to 108,000 divided by 60 minutes. That is equal to 1800 minutes. But we have to find it in hours. We know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So So we have to divide by 60. 30. So it will take 30 hours to fill completely the reservoir with the water. So here it is the end of this chapter and the exercise and today's video also. And as I told you in the beginning of the chapter also, and I am repeating every time, that the chapter is based on the formulas. So all the formulas of the surface area, like TSA of the cube or cuboid, LSA of cube or cuboid, CSA and TSA of cylinder, that you have to remember. Also you have to remember the conversion from meter cube to centimeter cube, or from centimeter cube or meter cube to liters and milliliters. If these conversion and formulas are in your mind, then any type of questions are given, you will be able to do it confidently. It will be followed by the PDF, maybe some more examples for your self-practice also. Thank you very much.